going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode of Flipping Cheap Cars for Big Profits. In today's video, I'm actually going to give you an update on the Alfa Romeo. And before I get into the video, I just want to say, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I really do appreciate it. Thank you to everyone that has been supporting the channel, man. You guys are absolutely amazing. Get loads of likes on the video as well. Thank you to everyone that takes the time to do that, and all the comments that you guys give. Thank you very much. Right, let's get back into the video. So, update on the Alfa Romeo. I've had this car for around 3 weeks now, or maybe a little bit longer, I'm not too sure, but it's probably around 3 weeks. One of the good things about this car is absolutely amazing on fuel. It's a 1.6 diesel, as mentioned, but it just doesn't seem to run out like most 1.6s that I've had. Especially in today's prices of fuel, it just seems to go on pretty longer than others anyways. It is pretty fast as well. You've got the dynamic at the bottom there, I will show you. So over here you've got different drive modes you can put in dynamic. As you can see, if I whack it like that, we're in dynamic, and then I can put in normal, or I can put in all weather, whatever. I tend to leave it in dynamic because it's absolutely rapid. I don't know if it's been remapped, but it's quick. It is quick. Anyways, now that I've done a little update on the video, it has had its MOT, guys. It's passed with no advisories on the car, which is really good. The only thing that needed doing obviously was the rear wheel bearing, which has been done, but I think I've done a video on that. I've not uploaded it for some reason, but I do have a load of content, guys, that I've been doing on all the cars as well, so stay tuned for that. Soon as I get the cars done, because what I tend to do is sort of work on the car, and then if I jump in another car because I don't have the parts, I kind of leave the video. So stay tuned, there's a hell of a lot of content coming for you people. Yeah, let me do a quick walk around, guys. Sorry I'm rushing, it's a bit late today, and I want to try and get this car cleaned while the sun is out, and then I can continue the video as well, so you can see how good the car looks once I get it done. Because in today's video, it's going to be one of my most usefulest tips when it comes to car training. You purchase a car and you take it to your local car guys to give them a fiver. They wash the car. It gives you a little bit of a break, so you can get these cars cleaned up and listed, which is one of the most important things you want to do. You don't want to be going home and spending hours on your cars cleaning them. It's just going to take you people a long time to it's going to make you feel like you're working extra hard. So the best tip I can give you people is, when you purchase your car, guys, just find a hand car wash. It helps them out as well, which is it's great to help people out any time that you can. So they do an absolutely amazing job for me. They even give me a snow foam. They go far and beyond for me, because to be honest, I go there all the time with all the different cars as well, and I'm loyal to them as well. So they tend to make sure that they do a great job for me, and I'm pretty sure they do that for everyone else. But yeah, they're just used to me going there anyways, is what I'm trying to say. Anyways, peeps, I'm going to do a little walk around and show you exactly what this car is looking like now. And once I've done the little walk around, we'll go and get the car cleaned, and then I'll show you exactly what I mean by they do a good job. It's amazing. Right, listen to that noisy engine. I wonder if that's the timing chain, but it sounds alright, drives okay. It sounds more like injectors, to be honest with you. But anyways, we're looking at the exterior of the car and what it looks like. As you can see, I've literally done nothing with the car because it's still got that writing on it as well. But overall, the car looks great. She's looking okay. It's not in that bad of a condition, but it is filthy. I like this button here. You push it in. And this is the reason why I won't be getting the interior done, because we've got so much stuff in here. So I want to get all this junk out, and then we'll come back for an interior clean. So stay tuned for that one. But yeah, little broken things there. Anyways, let's go and get it cleaned. Right, let's go and get the car cleaned, and then we'll continue the video when the car is cleaned. Stay tuned. Right, guys, we're getting the car cleaned now, as you can hear. So stay tuned, man, and wait until you see how good of a job these guys do. I actually love coming here, man. They actually take care of me, so look forward to this. Like I said, snow foam and everything, guys. £5 can't go wrong. Time efficient, quick, and perfect clean. Right, guys, I've just had the car cleaned. Absolutely quick time. Like I said, they're quick. Let me do a little walk around and show you exactly what the car's looking like. Now, have a look at this. Right, guys, as you can see, they've done an absolutely amazing job. Now what I'll do is obviously get pictures. As you can see on the camera, it looks really good. But when I get home, obviously, if there wasn't obviously these scuffs and all that sort of stuff, I would list the car. But I'm just getting the car cleaned just for demonstration. As you can see, it's going to need a good polish. And that's one of the reasons why I actually get the car cleaned, because you won't see stuff like, you know, the bonnet that's going to need a polish. You won't see all the little things, stone chips and all that kind of stuff. So I mean, at the box, I think this car only owes me about £550. That's including fees as well. So, you know, picking it up and getting an MOT done, I'm in here about 600 quid, which is, you know, or 650 max, including the petrol that it cost me to go there. But it's in good condition, and to be fair, it's a stylish little car to have as a daily. I'm not going to complain. Right, people, as you can see, the car looks amazing. 5 minutes of my time, £5 of my money. I've driven just down the road where I take my pictures for my car. I've got decent pictures. I've sat in this driver's seat on the exact same spot where I take the pictures. I've listed the car for sale, and guess what? It's only taken about 10 minutes or 15 minutes max in total. That is literally the fastest way you can get your car up for sale, the most time efficient way you can do it. Then you go home and then you can do the final detailing bits in your own time. But as long as you know your car's already up for sale, you can take your time and you don't need to panic. Because if you go home and you're just doing the washing by yourself, you're going to be feeling like, shit, man, my car ain't up for sale. And when you do car trading, I don't know what it is, you just want to put your car up for sale. I don't know what it is about selling cars that's just the most important thing. I'm like, I need my car up for sale, I need my car up for sale. So yeah, anyways guys, I hope this video was useful to you people. If it was, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, a like, a comment, and all that kind of good stuff. See you people in the next one. Bye bye.